Okay, this morning I'm going to show you how to make a recording of yourself singing our Easter hymn for our special Easter virtual congregation for Louderman, Burton Joyce and the surrounding villages. So what you'll need is the music for Thine Be the Glory, which you should have received by email if you've registered. You can also find it on the St Mary's or the Burton Joyce Facebook pages. So what you'll need is a computer, a mobile phone, which we're going to use for recording, and either earphones or headphones. So the first thing we're going to do is install some software on the mobile phone. Okay, so we're now going to install some software on the mobile phone. So what you need to find is the Play Store, and that's that one, is where you find software. And in the search at the top there, you can type in voice recorder. I've already done that. And what you're looking for is Easy Voice Recorder, which is the blue microphone on a white background, and click on that and install. It only takes a minute or so to install, and it will then need some permissions so that it can access the microphone and it can store the recording. So we're going to play from the computer and record on the voice recorder. So there we are, that's downloaded and it's just installing. And we open it. So it's telling you that it needs some permissions, and we allow it to record and we allow it to access media. So there it is. When we're ready, we'll start the recording with the big red microphone button. So let's put that down, and we'll now get the look at the computer screen and see what's going there. So here's the email, and one of the attachments is the Easter Voices. Sorry the screen flickers a little bit, that's there's nothing we can do about that. But anyway, what you do there is you download it, and you'll see down here that it's downloaded, and you click on that and it will bring it up in your favourite music player.
Make sure your
and this is
second
what it says.
device is set to record and prepare to clap or knock. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4.
So that's what we're going to do. So I'll stop it now because we've got to sing along without the microphone being able to hear the soundtrack. So let's pause again now. Okay, so what we're going to do now is plug in the loudspeaker, the headphones. So I'll put the headphones on and we'll get the recording ready. And we start the recording and we move this back to the beginning and start the playing. We have our words and we can hear that it is so David's just told us to clap. 1, 2, 3, 4. Thine be the glory, risen conquering Son. Okay, well that's enough of me singing. So we now stop that, and we'll stop that. So now you've got a recording. The important thing is to press the little white tick down here, and that finishes the recording, and it's called My Recording. And so the next thing is you click on Listen, and you have to agree to whatever it is, the conditions. So you've got myrecording1.wav, and there's 3 little dots next to it. So you click on the 3 little dots and share. And you want to send it by email, so see all, and you find your email program, which is Gmail, and you'll then send that to David Machel. And that's all there is to it. It doesn't have to be perfect. What we're trying to do is make it sound like a Sunday morning when you're singing as part of the congregation. But we want to do it as something really special for Easter. So we'd like as many people as possible to have a go at this. Don't worry too much if you struggle with the technology. If you can't make it work, then feel free to give me a ring or send me an email or a message. And so that David Machel can get the soundtracks all put together again by Easter Day. The deadline is Palm Sunday, which is next Sunday. So you've got just a few days to do this. But please have a go, and we'd love you to take part. Thank you very much.